Hello and welcome to this video, introducing Pwise Smart Budgeting System. In this video, I'll demonstrate how this system works. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to our online platform at pwisebudget.com. Upon reaching the system's interface, click Sign Up, choose Personal, enter the necessary personal details, your first and last name, your email, username, mobile number, and password. And finally, click on the Sign Up button to complete the process. To verify the account, go to the email address you provided and check the verification message sent by Pwise. Click the Click Here blue text and your account will be verified. After that, click the Login button and log in using your username and password. A pop-up will appear guiding you on the first thing you need to do to start creating a budget plan. Just click the OK button after reading the instructions. To start creating your budget plan, go to the Budget tab. You can show that there is a cycle budget in the amount. There is also a suggested budget plan, which is the 50-30-20, allocating 50% for high priority, 30% for medium priority, and 20% for low priority. To start the cycle, click the Start Cycle button, choose the start and end date of the preferred cycle. Then click the Start button and Yes to continue. After creating the cycle, the Add Budget button will appear. Set an amount. For this cycle's budget, for example, 10,000 pesos, click the Save button and OK to continue. Visualization will show how your budget is allocated based on the 50-30-20 plan. Next step is for the expenses. Go to the Expense tab, choose Expense category, click Add category to create your desired category, for example, grocery. And we will place it under high priority level because it is a necessity. Go to the expense name, click Add expense name to create an expense name, for example, grocery under the groceries. Follow the same process for the additional categories and expense name. So we will show here a sample budget plan. Now, check the allocated budget, the budget limits for each category in the Budget tab. So to automatically allocate your total budget per category, use the suggested budget plan in the My Budget tab. So you can see that the 10,000 pesos budget is automatically allocated per category if we use this suggested budget plan. So just click the Use Suggestion button, click OK, and we can see here that it is automatically allocated per category. So So the status of your current cycle will show in your dashboard for you to monitor the status of your cycle and your recent activities. So now that we've set up your budget plan, start inputting your expenses. So adding expenses is just easy. Go to the expense tab, click add expense. So first choose category and the expense name and the amount you spend. You can see that the percentage of your expenses based on the set limit. Your wallet is also deducted every time you spend. So let's see in the dashboard, our wallet. So it becomes 8,300. So our expenses or our spending are deducted on our wallet. So we can track and monitor our recent expenses in our dashboard. So let's go to the report tab. You can analyze your spending habits with the help of the pie and the bar graphs. So choose a cycle you want to create a report. We can see here that there is a pie and bar graph showing the percentages of our expenses. You can also show their details on the budget, the contributors, and the expenses made. In the savings tab, you can add your savings. Simply put the amount you want to add. You can see here that it appears in our savings. And now we can use it to add in our budget when there is an emergency expenses or unexpected expenses. So we can show, as we can see there, we have currently 8,300, and then we add the 100 from savings. We will add the 100 pesos from savings to our budget. Our wallet becomes 8,400. So for the first 3 cycles, user will use the suggested budget plan of 50-30-20. But after the 3 cycles, the system will suggest a plan based on your previous cycles. So you can choose to use this or stick with the 50-30-20 plan. If the customization is off, the default number of months is 3 months, and when it is on, the user can freely choose how many cycles. So just click the use suggestion button if you want to use the suggested budget plan for your previous cycles. You can show here that it is allocated based on the percentages of the suggested plan. So regarding the household accounts, they function similarly to personal accounts. The only difference is in a household account where the household head can add members. So to add a member, go to the household members tab, click add member and provide member details. Name, username, email, and mobile number. So the added member will receive login details via email. You can also show there in the household members tab